Will my business be a huge success or a total failure? I am thrilled to find it out with this new CHAT GPT business tool. Making your big dream come through and to make money with AI like CHAT GPT can be tough. The reason is that if you want to make online money with AI artwork or CHAT GPT, you still need a business plan, also called a business model. Does this sound incredibly boring to you? Yes? That's still no problem, because with this new tool, you can start your AI business in a second. You don't have to have any knowledge about how to make money with AI, CHAT GPT, or business plans. This incredible tool is called Venturus AI. You will find the link, like always, in the description. I wanted to know if I have any chance to earn money and be successful with my YouTube channel called Artificial Intelligence Einstein. So if you want to create the CHAT GPT business plan, you need to give the tool a little bit more information about your business idea. Simply type in whatever you think the AI tool needs to know to have a better understanding of your business. I also typed in why I think that viewers are watching my YouTube channel. So let's find out if my business will be a success. This tool not only gave me a free CHAT GPT-based business plan analysis, but it also created a SWOT, PASTEL, CATWOE, and AI marketing suggestions with AI branding. That is just insane. IT analyzes the strength and the threats to my business and even lets me download this as PDF. Before I knew this tool, it took me between 8 to 12 hours to create a perfect business analysis. Now I can do this in a second. So before I come to my final rating, let's talk about cash. How much does it cost to make the business plan with this CHAT GPT-based tool? The answer is simple. This business plan generator costs you nothing. Only if you decide to create more than 10 business plans a day, you would need to upgrade to a bigger package. So before we come to my final rating from 1 to 10 for this tool, I want to know what rating you would give this tool. Tell it to me in the comments. Please also subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can create more videos like this. So because this tool is insanely easy to use and completely free, this tool gets a 9 out of 10. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next Artificial Intelligence Einstein video.